In the mid-20th century, a medication known as thalidomide brought hope to many individuals suffering from a range of ailments. Originally introduced as a sedative and anti-nausea drug, thalidomide gained immense popularity due to its purported lack of side effects. However, this pharmaceutical breakthrough soon turned into one of the most heart-wrenching medical tragedies in history. Thalidomide, developed by the German company Chemie Grünenthal, first entered the market in 1957 and quickly gained recognition as a safe and effective drug. Pregnant women experiencing morning sickness found solace in the relief this medication provided. Thalidomide was even marketed as safe for use during pregnancy, despite insufficient evidence to support such claims. However, tragedy struck when reports began to emerge linking thalidomide to severe birth defects. Babies were being born with missing or malformed limbs, a condition known as phocomelia. The devastating impact of this medication reverberated across the globe, leaving families shattered and governments scrambling for answers. As the extent of the tragedy became apparent, countries around the world swiftly banned thalidomide. The drug was withdrawn from the market in 1961, but its effects could never be erased. Tens of thousands of children were affected, their lives permanently altered by a medication that was meant to bring relief. The thalidomide tragedy served as a wake-up call to the medical community, highlighting the importance of stringent drug testing and regulation. It exposed the flaws in the prevailing belief that a medication could be safe without thorough research and clinical trials. In the aftermath of this devastating incident, stringent regulations for drug testing were implemented worldwide. The United States established the FDA's Drug Efficacy Amendment, which required pharmaceutical companies to prove a drug's efficacy and safety before it could be approved for public use. Similar measures were enacted across Europe, placing a greater emphasis on ensuring the welfare of future patients. Thalidomide brought to light the importance of thorough clinical trials, particularly concerning medications that may affect the most vulnerable populations, such as pregnant women and their unborn children. This tragedy emphasized the need for robust safety protocols and long-term studies to evaluate the potential risks and consequences of pharmaceuticals. Despite the devastating consequences, thalidomide did find a place in modern medicine. Decades after the tragedy, researchers discovered the drug's effectiveness in the treatment of leprosy and multiple myeloma, a type of cancer affecting plasma cells. Thalidomide was carefully reintroduced under strict regulations, ensuring it was prescribed exclusively for specific medical conditions. The thalidomide tragedy forever changed the landscape of drug regulation and patient safety. It serves as a stark reminder of the potential harm that can arise from untested and inadequately regulated medications. The legacy of thalidomide is one that continues to shape the medical field, urging caution and thoroughness in the development and use of pharmaceuticals.